positive people in my life is my husband, and he's always taught me, even before we were together, that it's all the way you look at it. So change your mindset to anything you're going through to something positive. If you're gonna laugh about it in 5 years or not remember it on your deathbed, forget about it now, right? Why keep thinking about it over and over again and giving that power? Get mentors and associations, personal development. Some of you were my mentors before I even met you, or you're my friends. So even if you can't get around, read and do personal development and become better. When you become better, you attract better, your energy's different, your music's different. And then just have hope and belief. If you don't have it, let us on the stage, or your mentors, or your teams, or your execs have that faith for you, and let them believe in you until you believe in yourself, because anybody can do this. If we can create 300 millionaires right now, if we can have filled stadiums like this, we can triple our business, we can 10x our business, and if we can see it, we've done it, so we just have to keep doing it over and over again until we can't fit in here anymore.